Namaskar, dear children. Children, as we are studying chapter number 5, bio chapter number 5, cell. So, what is the topic we had discussed? We had discussed about the plasma membrane, cell wall, cell organism, cytoplasm. What is the plant cell? What is the animal cell? The many topics we have discussed about it. Right, but today our next topic is a very important cell organelles which we are discussing. Today I am discussing two important cell organelles, ribosomes and mitochondria. Earlier we have discussed about the two cell organelles, endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus. What are the type of the endoplasmic reticulum? The type of the endoplasmic reticulum is RER and SER. What do you mean by the RER? The meaning of the RER, that means rough endoplasmic reticulum, and SER, the meaning of the SER is a smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and the function is also different. RER formation of ribosome and SER formation of a lipid. Golgi apparatus we have discussed about it. Next, a very important two cell organelles. Today we have discussed about the two very important cell organelles. This is the ribosomes and mitochondria. The two are the very important cell organelles. Right. First of all, what is the ribosome? As we know that it is a very important cell organelle which is responsible for the protein synthesis of the cell. That's why it is called the protein factories of the cell. It's a very important cell organelle. It is responsible for the protein synthesis of the cell. That's why it is called the protein factories of the cell. Friends, it's a very important term and very important question also according to your exam. So first of all, we are taking the what are the diagram of the ribosome, student. They are found in both prokaryotic as well as eukaryotic cell. They are the found both prokaryotic as well as the eukaryotic cells, right? And this is the diagram of the ribosome. These are the ribosome. ये ribosomes है, ये रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम है जहाँ पे राइबोसोम्स प्रेजेंस होते हैं. तो दिस इज द राइबोसोम्स, राइट, अटैच्ड टू द सरफेस ऑफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. वेयर इज इट अटैच्ड? इट इज अटैच्ड टू द surface of endoplasmic reticulum. Where it is attached? It's endoplasmic reticulum, and endoplasmic reticulum पे आपके राइबोसोम्स जो होते हैं वो अटैच्ड होते हैं, राइट. नेक्स्ट इज द डेंस. डेंस होते हैं, काफी डेंस होते हैं ये, एंड राउंड होते हैं, सर्कल में राउंड होते हैं, एंड बॉडीज फ्रीली अकर्स इन साइटोप्लाज्म. डेंस होते हैं, राउंड होते हैं, एंड इनकी जो बॉडीज होती हैं वो फ्रीली अकर्स होती हैं इन अ साइटोप्लाज्म. Next is again it is present on the rough endoplasmic reticulum. So ribosomes help the process of the protein synthesis. So I hope you all understood what is the ribosomes, right? It is responsible for the protein synthesis and it is present on the endoplasmic reticulum. Next is very important mitochondria. First we everyone note down the ribosome. The ribosome. Next is mitochondria. I am starting. First, all of you note down ribosomes. So, student, next cell organelles is mitochondria. What is the name of this next cell organelles? Mitochondria, and another name of this cell organelles is the powerhouse of the cell. Why it is called the powerhouse of the cell? Because it gives the energy to the cell. And it forms the ATP. ATP का formation करते हैं और पावर अपनी सेल को एनर्जी देते हैं. That's why it is called the powerhouse of the cell. First, it is the enclosed by a double membrane of the cell. ये enclosed होता है, enclosed in double membrane of the cell. Outer membrane is smooth. This is the diagram of this. very important point. Everyone listen carefully. Outer inner membrane forms irregular series of fold called crystal. ये जो है आपके irregular folds होते हैं, it's called a crystal. What we call, it's called a crystal, and it increase the surface of the inner membrane of the cell is called the crystal. It is increase the surface area of inner membrane to for synthesis of ATP. किसका synthesis करते हैं, किसको generate करते हैं ये ATP को, and ATP is the form of the energy. ATP is the form of the energy, right? So crystal is increase the surface area of inner membrane and it form ATP. ATP का जनरेशन करते हैं. ATP हमें एनर्जी, सेल्स को एनर्जी प्रोवाइड करता है. इनर कैविटी, आपकी जो इनर कैविटी है, इट फिल्ड बाय द जेल लाइक मैट्रिक्स. इससे फिल्ड होता है इनर कैविटी. इट्स फिल्ड लाइक जेल लाइक सब्सटेंस इज कॉल्ड अ मैट्रिक्स. So student, this is the outer surface, right? This is the inner surface. This is the जो multiple folds होते हैं ये, this is inner membrane folds, irregular series of folds होते हैं. This is called the crystal, and it is the site of a cellular respiration. It's the site of a cellular respiration, and it matrix contain respiratory enzyme and ribosome. It's a site of cellular respiration also, and it matrix, it contain the respiratory enzyme and ribosomes and DNA also. I'll say enzymes and DNA and the DNA. Right, student? So everyone note down all the two organelles. I hope you all understood. First is ribosome, second is mitochondria. So what is the cell organelles for protein synthesis? Protein synthesis is organelle is ribosomes. It is also known as the protein factories of the cell, and the powerhouse of the cell, mitochondria. What is the crystal? The question is, what is the crystal? The crystal is the inner membrane form irregular series of fold is called the crystal, and it increase the inner surface area for generating ATP. What is the full form of the ATP? Adenosine triphosphate. Students, what is the full form of ATP? ATP. Adenosine triphosphate. Adenosine triphosphate. Adenosine triphosphate. This is the full adenosine triphosphate. So this is the full form of the ATP. It generates the energy to the cell. So it is also known the powerhouse of the cell. So I hope it's clear of today's two cell organelles. So note down the whole notes and draw the diagram in your register also. So this is the crystal, outer membrane, inner membrane. Okay students, so note down these two organelles, cell organelles in your notebook.